Hey, Peaches. You ready for some loving? Oh, don't fall off. Yeah, don't fall off. Let's get a wider shot here. You're almost falling off. Don't fall off. Listen to those purrs. Don't fall. Do not fall, baby. Oh. And you're so flexible. You're such a little kitty because cats are flexible anyway. Especially young kitten cats. Huh? Little kitten. Don't fall. Don't fall. What you nudging over there? Both of you. Oh. No, don't bite me. Ouch. Ouch. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle, baby. Be gentle. I know you understand me. I know you do. You should be gentle. You are a riot. Yes, you are. You're so funny. What? What are you looking at? Don't bite. You are precious, Peaches. You really are. My precious Peaches. You are so sweet. Yes, you do. You do. You do. You do sweet things. You are. You are sweet. You do sweet too, but you're so sweet. Hey. She's so gentle. It's amazing. I've actually shied away from sitting kittens because I was afraid they'd be too much, but she is so fun. Oh my gosh. Peaches, you're the best. I love you, Peaches. Yeah. I love you. Ouch, ouch. Not too hard. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle, baby. Be gentle. Be gentle. Five, 555. Oh my gosh. I just saw 555 on the video timer, and I saw 5:55 a.m. on that clock right there. 6:31 right now. Oh, are you leaving me? You're leaving me? Oh, all right. Bye, Peaches. I love you. Love you. Where are you going? Peaches. Peaches? Peaches? Pirate. Peaches. Pirate. Where's Pirate? Where's Pirate? You're gonna come out when I say his name, huh? She gets jealous when I pet Pirate. She'll come right over every single time I'm petting Pirate. Every time. Pirate doesn't do that to her, though. Whoa, where'd she go? Oh, there you are. All right, babe. I love you. I love you. Good night. Until next time. Mm. Oh, look at that sweet thing. You be you. And live your dreams now.